Welcome back. Rio Grande Regional Hospital in McAllen recognizing one of their own. One cardiologist completing 50 vascular surgeries on patients using a robotics machine that he says has made his job a little bit easier. Here's Channel 5's Marcel Villarreal.
We're able to accurately measure the length of the lesions, and this allows us to better size the length of the stent that we're going to place. And the usual way that we do this is we are standing by the patient, by the X-ray beam as well, and we are pushing the catheters, the wires, the balloons, and the stents, everything with our hands. So what the robotic technology allows us to do is that we have a precision device that allows us to do all these different tasks that we usually do with our hands.
Dr. Guillermo Salinas is a medical director of interventional cardiology and a cardiologist at Rio Grande Regional Hospital in McAllen. His medical team, recognizing him and putting this machine to work, it helps accurately place a catheter, guide wire, or stent exactly where you need it to be, and has a monitor to show you where you are. It's controlled with joysticks and can be used remotely. Dr. Salinas has helped 50 patients with their heart health needs, including a few patients who've tested positive for the coronavirus.
We're doing the same thing that we have been doing for many, many years. What we're doing different is that we're using a technology that allows us to have more precision.
This vest protects cardiologists from radiation exposure, which is especially important when they're in the cath lab working up close and personal on a patient. But this device, this CorePath vascular robotics device, helps make that process much easier.
An issue that Rio Grande Regional's chief operating officer says beforehand was alarming at first because of a constant exposure to radiation from X-rays.
In a community that needs to have more specialists, it's something that's very important for us to make sure that by reducing their exposure to radiation, the time that they're able to provide these services to the community.
There are only 2 of these machines in the valley, one in McAllen and the other in Brownsville. And though the hospital has recognized Salinas for his hard work, he says he owes it all to the machine, stressing the importance of people not being afraid to head out to elective surgeries.
They feel they're having an emergency, they should seek care. We have seen hospitals make different protocols and take actions to protect their patients.
Marisol Villarreal, Channel 5 News this morning.